We are Adanac Rubber Flooring, and we're the best choice for rubber flooring in Canada. Not only do we service major commercial gyms and home gyms, our flooring is great for office spaces, pet facilities, garages, arenas, and more. Our rubber flooring helps you create a space you can be proud of. We offer 3 main flooring lines to provide the best option for your project. Ultralink tiles are perfect for your DIY project, yet still provide a solid foundation for your space. These 2-foot by 2-foot tiles are available in centers, borders, and corners, allowing you to work within any room dimensions, creating a perfect rectangle finish, and providing a seamless finish, leaving your friends thinking you had it professionally installed. Ultra Roll is perfect for your fitness facility, pet care facility, or large spaces, offered in a variety of thicknesses and colors to match the room you are designing. Looking for something a little more heavy duty? Step up to the Ultra Pro tiles or rolls to increase your absorption rating and to withstand the impacts and demands of your athletes. Add custom cuts and colors to design your ultimate high-performance training center. Adanac Rubber Flooring, building confidence from the ground up.